What we're gonna make today is a quick and easy food prep recipe that I've been using for a couple of weeks. It's super cheap, full of protein, full of whole grains, and full of flavor. So before your mouth starts watering, let's get started. So however many days you work this week, whether it's 3, 4, 5, get that many containers. Real simple, real easy. I'm working 4 days this week. 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row. Then we're gonna actually do 2 cups of this jasmine rice, some raw onions, some black beans, and some peas. What you gotta do is you have to soak the rice, the jasmine rice. So you're gonna get 2 cups, all right? 1 and 2. Real simple. Now the reason you soak that is to get all the starch and stuff off of the rice. You want to do that because it helps it be more fluffy and not stick together. So you're going to soak that for like 20 minutes. Use cold water. I'm just rinsing. The more you rinse it, the fluffier it is. See how it kind of has that murkiness? Okay, that's all the starch. You're gonna let that soak now. Let that soak for about 20 minutes, okay? Set the old timer. Real simple. You take the peas, all right? I'll measure it for you. That's a cup of peas. So about 3/4 of a cup of peas. For each day. Fill it up. And that has about 5 grams of protein right there, just in the peas. So if you think that you're missing protein because you're not eating meat, if you actually look at the labels on peas, on beans, you're gonna find that you're getting plenty of protein without the meat. I'm just gonna put a little bit of garlic salt on all these with a little dab of vegan butter. Get you a little dab, whatever, vegan butter. Put it right on top of peas. The best vegan butter you can buy. It tastes exactly like the real thing. Just like that. Then we'll get a little bit of garlic salt. Lowry's, of course. And just sprinkle right on top. Plenty of flavor right there. It's all you need. 3/4 cup worth of peas. Didn't even cook them. Threw them right in there. A little tab of butter, a little bit of garlic salt. All right, so with that rice, as soon as it's done soaking for 20 minutes, you're gonna drain all that water. Since you put 2 cups of rice, you're gonna do 4 cups of water. Then I'm gonna show you when it's done, how I season it up. What's nice about jasmine rice is it only takes about 10 to 15 minutes to cook. That's what's beautiful about it. It's almost like instant rice, but it's a lot more healthy for you. And it actually gives a better flavor than regular white rice, I believe. Let's go ahead and chop us up just a little bit of onion here. A red onion, it's pretty powerful stuff, but it's super healthy for you. Great for your stomach, great for your brain, great for everything. And we're gonna drain and rinse these beans really, really well. Because got those kind of funky juices, just not a big fan. I find if I rinse them really well, it really helps with my digestion. What I love about this recipe is it doesn't involve much cooking. All you really cook is the rice. Everything else you just throw directly into your containers for the week. It's that easy. And as we get older, that's really what we're looking for, right? Quick, easy, and good on digestion. All right, so the rice is done. 10 minutes. A lot of people say they don't like food prep because they get sick of the same meal every day. Well, here's how you can mix it up, okay? Each day. Little aminos, little hot sauce, little chipotle ranch vegan dressing. Whatever, it's your world, make it happy, you know? So what I do is I just take it straight from the pan, do about, let's say, 3/4 cup of rice, something like that. All right, straight from the pan. No need to get anything else dirty. Just like that. Then you're gonna put your seasonings directly on the rice. Okay, that's the key here. You know me, I love a little pepper. Right on the rice. Just like this. And put pepper on everything because I like it. Then, nutritional yeast. Kind of tastes like cheese. Okay? Put that on 2 of them. Liquid aminos. This is a coconut liquid aminos. It's kind of salty. Just has a really great flavor. All over the rice. I'm going to do that on, we'll say 3 of them. Do a little sriracha here. Here. Got 2 spicy days. I'm gonna do some of this vegan chipotle ranch. Real nice. I'm gonna do that on just 1 of them. Just enough to give it flavor, not really make it soggy. Then, you're gonna take your beans. That's your protein. You're gonna split that out evenly. Over 4 days or 5 days, whatever you wanna do. Okay? There you go. All that flavoring is gonna flavor the beans in addition. I'm gonna do a little bit of onions. I really like red onion. Really gives it a nice flavor and a nice crunch. So basically you're gonna let all of this cool, pop the lids on, pop it in the fridge, and you're good to go for the week. It's pretty awesome. Real simple, real easy, full of flavor, full of nutrition. Grab and go to work this week. I almost forgot, I love my good healthy fats. You gotta put a little bit of this coconut oil right on top of the rice. Alright? Get you a small little dab right on top. Small, large, I don't know what you would call that. But gives it a real nice flavor. Give you some good healthy fat for the week. Thanks for watching today's episode. Like, subscribe, comment, all those good things. Until next time guys, keep cooking and we'll see you later.